Okay, good morning, you guys. I look horrible, but whatever. I am going to make, it's like really early in the morning, so I'm kind of whispering. I don't want to be annoying to everyone. I need to go to Target and maybe Ulta and to like H-E-B or Trader Joe's or something for some flowers. And I'm gonna make a basket for someone who just had a baby. And I'm gonna take you guys with me because I feel like I have pretty good gift ideas, and I'm making the basket, like there's a couple things for the baby in there. This person did not have a registry, first of all. Otherwise I would just get something off the registry, but this person didn't have a registry. So I'm getting a couple things for the baby, but I'm getting mostly stuff for the mom because I feel like moms are always left out of the gift giving thing. So I'll show you guys everything I got. First we gotta get ready. I'm going extra super bummy because I'm not doing anything else today. I could make a whole story time video about this vacation and how horrible it's been. I am worn out. I'm halfway through my 3-week vacation and I want to go home because it's just, stuff just keeps going wrong, you know? So I just don't care anymore. I'm just gonna go do this really quick this morning. It is like 8 o'clock in the morning, and then make the basket and send my husband with it to go see these people. And he's taking the kids with him, so I'm spending the rest of the day doing nothing. I'm gonna lounge around a pool, take naps while sunbathing, and relax. This is everything I got, plus a fluffy pink blanket, and it was all from Target. Honestly, I was able to find everything from Target except the Tree Hut stuff that was at Ulta. So here is the blanket that I got. One side is like fluffy and soft, and the other side has this like silky material. Thought it was perfect. They had a baby girl, and I thought this muted pink would be so perfect. And then I have a white basket, so I'm just going to kind of roughly put the blanket in there and put everything on top in like a cute little mishmash way. So the first thing I got was the OxiClean powder and OxiClean Max Force spray. I use these practically every single day. If you have kids pretty much of any age, you need this in your life. It will get literally anything out of any clothes or blanket or anything like that. And then I got the Tree Hut Tropical Glow collection. I was able to find everything. So I got her the body wash, the body spray, the shave oil, this body scrub, and the body butter, which was so lucky. So I hope she actually likes that stuff. I don't really know. I'm kind of guessing at some of this stuff because I don't know exactly what she likes. And then I love these Pixi Detoxify eye masks. They're a caffeinated sheet mask, and they really help to depuff your eyes and get rid of dark circles. I threw those in along with the Burt's Bees lip mask. This is also something that I love, so threw that in there. And then I wanted to get some chocolate too, so I got her the Lily's dark chocolate and peanut butter cups and the Tony's sea salt caramel chocolate. Anybody that you get this for will absolutely love it. These chocolates are a little bit more expensive, but I think it's fun to splurge on nicer chocolate when you're making a gift basket like this. But obviously you can just go for like cheaper stuff if you're on a different budget. The Kit Kats and the Snickers are always good too. I'm not going to turn down a Snickers, okay? And then I got some teether, well, a teether, and I got a pacifier clip in kind of like a muted color. I don't think she wants everything like super girly pink. She's pretty girly, but she also likes, you know, the neutral stuff. So I didn't want to get everything super girly. And then I got these Baby's Breath. They're pastel colors. I kind of wanted white, but the pastel pink and blue was cute too. So I got some pastel Baby's Breath and kind of stuck them all around. And that is the gift basket done. I hope you like it, guys.